Hello everyone. As today we have travel technology related, and as SQUALIO we are looking on clouds. Most probably it's not hard to answer what is common for all these brands and all these companies you see. So they all are in cloud and using to some extent the cloud solutions. And the ones which are related to travel industry, I would highlight a bit more and look into the technologies they are use, and maybe a little bit touch what was the reason why they have chosen those particular solutions. So if you look, one of my favorite ones is actually Dealio, which is a company that is running more than 22 sites that have approximately 2.5 million listings of accommodations. They were starting as a small company running everything on one server using open source programs, and that resulted as at least 5 hours a day maintenance of those servers, complaints from users that the applications or web pages are very slow. And company management, after 1.5 years, has decided to join the Microsoft BizSpark program, and as a result, they have got access to all Microsoft Azure services. By that, they haven't switched to Microsoft applications or Microsoft software development tools. They still use the open source, and that was anyway giving them huge boost in performance, huge boost in saving the resources, not spending on maintaining databases, maintaining infrastructure, maintaining hardware. So this company has used Microsoft platform or Microsoft infrastructure and open source in a really good combination. If we go to the next, which is WeGo, this is one of the leading search engines for travel and accommodation related listings in Asia, Pacific and Middle East regions. They are accumulating information from more than 700 travel websites, and this company has grown very fast. And this was also one of the reasons why they have switched to the cloud. And the main kind of improvement they got was actually the flexibility in assigning resources if there is peaks in workload, if there are more seasonal requests for some region. So they are just scaling up their infrastructure, dynamically scaling it up and getting satisfactory result as user or customer satisfaction. Another improvement what they got was actually reliability. So they were not dependent on some hardware clusters or some network redundancies. All that was provided by the cloud. One of very well recognized is also Skyscanner. However, Skyscanner is not using so much cloud, but they are using some specific Google Analytics tools and big data processing possibilities with Google Cloud. And their kind of main target was to analyze more deeply the user or customer behavior, not only on the level what the standard Google Analytic tools provides to you, but also go deeper into details. And for that they have used the Google Analytics Premium and BigQuery possibility in Google Cloud. And working with this BigQuery data, they have used some representation tools on top of that to get more insight of how customers are behaving, what they are doing on their sites, what they are looking for, and use this for some improvements and marketing campaigns. Another good example of how you can use cloud is Click Travel. They have decided to switch their services to Amazon Web Service Lambda, which is a microservice technology. And this technology allows you to run some code without having physical servers or virtual machines. And for this company, it was very useful as most of the code was not needed to be available or have to be run all the time. So this code has to be run at some moments where there is some events, there is some activity, then this code should be active. But in other period of time, it's not needed. And in this case, Amazon Lambda is actually a very good service because you have to pay only for the time that code is executed. And by using this service, they have significantly decreased the cost. At the same time, they have increased the availability as this service is very scalable. It is very easy actually to increase the processing capacity. It is done automatically by Amazon. And they additionally use also the simple notification service, simple queue service, which is the way how those pieces of microservices, pieces of code are communicating between each other. By doing this microservice implementation, this company has actually saved many hundred thousands of euros not changing the infrastructure. So they basically are paying for code which is used by someone at the moment when it is used, not having the servers all the time in the server room running and waiting when someone will start to use them. Another achievement what this company has gained from this move is that they have eliminated any system administrator from the company. So in this company is no more any kind of system administrator staff. There is only developers or business developers who are thinking about how to develop this business.
Ivars, can we move on?
Yeah.
Okay. I will go to the next slide.
Yeah, so what most of those companies are mentioning as some kind of benefit or what was the most important for them. Most of them are saying that resource availability or flexibility in scaling, that's one of the most important. Reduced time for IT maintenance or eliminating those system administrative tasks. This is another one. Pay-per usage is mentioned very often by companies as that price, what they have to pay for cloud can be also in particular product already calculated into the price. So basically every click you can count and you can add to the ticket or add to the booking as some kind of fee. Another one is application programming interface or API implementation and management. So basically on cloud platforms you can manage it much better. You can monitor what is the usage. You can also easily deploy different versions. And some really good benefits is actually ability to scale the platform across many geographic regions. This is not so often used, but such companies as WeGo, Taviska and Airbnb are using this possibility. And coming trend is actually serviceless apps or microservices, which is mainly now used on Amazon, but also on Azure. Such possibility exists, and some companies is already using it and is going as a kind of trend for next years. Please, next slide. And what SQUALIO can help you in this area? So we can guide you through all those cloud solutions. We can guide you through possibilities to get access to the cloud using those special offerings like BizSpark or some for students or developers meant solutions. And we can actually be contacted. It doesn't cost you anything, so you can write us emails. We will, or on Facebook, share some notes and we will reply you. So we can consult you on all those solutions, and if you have some ideas, do not hesitate and come to us. Okay, thank you.